Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you guys how to use the multi-capture mode on your Instagram stories. This is a great mode where it allows you to take up to 8 different photos in a go. When you share it to your story, it will present itself as different stories. So open your Instagram app. Now let's create a story by tapping on the plus sign and then selecting story. Now on the left panel you will see the multi-capture, tap on it. Start taking your photos and you can take up to a maximum of 8 photos. Once you're happy, tap on next at the bottom. Now it will show you all the images you have taken. You can tap on each one and customize each post with different stickers, brush or text. Once you're happy, then tap on next to post it to your story. Unfortunately, if you mess up in the middle, you'll need to start all over again. And there you go, that is how to use the multi-capture mode on your Instagram story. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.